Today we got some more product for the iPad Air M4, and these products are from the folks over at ESR. So once again, huge shout out to you guys for sending me out these products to get up on the channel. We got the Amorite Paper Field Screen Protector, which is pretty dope. Now, I did make a video of their original glass screen protector. I make sure to leave a card somewhere up top. When it came to writing, drawing, and just taking notes, it wasn't the best. So we got the paper fill likes, and we also have the magnetic keyboard on deck. This is the Rebound series, and this right here, my friend, looks very similar to the Apple Magic Keyboard. This is pretty dope, but this thing has one downfall that I absolutely hate. I think this case right here is gonna give it a run for its money. So for today's video, we're gonna snap on the screen protector first, and then we're gonna get into the magnetic keyboard case. So let's get into it, y'all. We got the Amorite Paper Fill Screen Protector. Paper fill surface, dust free, bubble free. Let's get into this. You press your hand here, you remove the thing from the bottom, and bam, you got it on there. Your quick guide and whatnot, you can watch and see how you put it on, but we got this. And you also have your squeegee, installation guide, 2 wet wipes, cleaning cloths, and 2 dust removable stickers. You have 2 available. One is already on there, so we're just gonna go ahead and put this to the side. Let's go ahead and check this out. So we're gonna go ahead and put this back in this spot right here. Let's go ahead and get our iPad set up and ready for the installation. First, we wanna take the wet wipes, and we're just going to wipe the screen down. And then we'll take our cleaning cloth, we'll dry it off. Take our dust removable sticker, and you just want to get all the dust off, and we should be good to go here. So now what you want to do is you want to grab your tablet, put this in here face down, and close this up. You put your hand right here, and we're just gonna go ahead and pull the tab, and it should be on there. So hey, and let's see how easy this was. Take it out, remove the film here. Hey, look at this. That went on there perfect, edge to edge. Let's turn on the screen. Perfect on there. All right, y'all, so we got the Apple Pencil Pro in the building, man. And yeah, this, oh my goodness, this is so smooth, so smooth. Whoa. Let's see how good this thing will be when it comes to drawing. So we're gonna do subscribe to the channel. Hey, it don't get any better than that, bro. That was absolutely natural. Now, excuse my chicken scratch here. I know this doesn't look the best. Your boy can't write in calligraphy or anything like that. So excuse my chicken scratch here. And you can also bring up your pencil, and then we're just gonna erase all of this. Now that we got the screen protected, let's go ahead, get into this case, the magnetic keyboard case. This is the Rebound series. You can work from anywhere with this, and it has a quick set magnetic stand. So premium laptop style. Scan to watch a quick setup video. We don't need to scan to watch no quick setup video. You connect this through Bluetooth. That's one downfall to this case, is you gotta use Bluetooth. The Magic Keyboard, you just connect the iPad and it works. No Bluetooth involved. You can scan for a quick setup video. Here is the instructions. And you got it in multiple languages. Let's get into the cable first. Type A to Type C. And you have the case. Hey, look at that. Look at that. ESR buckle charging port right here. So this is where you would charge the case. Hey, yo, look at this. And it just snapped to the back of it. This looks pretty much identical to the Apple keyboard. Let's set this up. Hey, it snaps on there magnetically. Go to settings, Bluetooth, power this on. Hopefully it got some juice. Oh, and look at the keys here. RGB keys. Oh my God. ESR keyboard. So we're gonna go ahead and connect. We're gonna go ahead and pair. And just like that, we are connected. Let's go to Chrome and let's see if we can tie something. Yo, this is actually pretty dope. The keys work with no issues. The trackpad works pretty good. Now I want to know how you control these lights. Hold function +6. There we go. We got the blue, we got the green, we got the purple, some sort of pinkish color, red. Hey, there we go right there. The orange keys. Definitely going to do a battle coming pretty soon between this and Apple's version. Y'all stay tuned to the channel because hey, this should be a good one. All right, y'all, so that's gonna do it for today's video. I want to thank ESR for sending out these products to get up on the channel once again. If you enjoyed this video, then do the homie a favor, hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications. That way you're notified whenever new videos drop. Appreciate you for watching, and as always, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll holler at you in my next video. Later.